the goal with this activity is to really reduce tension overall in the body, so you're teaching yourself to basically move and rotate with a lot less muscle activity and tension, and it's gonna loosen up the hips and the torso. Here's what you're gonna do. You're gonna lie on your side. I would get a pillow or an Eric's pad, and you wanna cheat it so your head's kinda here, and you got some purchase of the pillow behind you, like so. Then from here, I'm gonna have my knees bend at about like a 45 to 60 degree angle of hip flexion. So if that's 90, you wanna be below that. Arms chilling, and your other arm's gonna be chilling, but I want the elbows to be slightly overhead. You could look at the elbow creases as about the height you wanna be. So like if my eyes are right on the elbow crease, I'm in a good spot. From here, what you're gonna do is you're gonna close the mouth, nasal breathe throughout the process. I want you to turn your whole body so your top elbow and your top knee are ahead of the bottom elbow and knee. You're gonna keep your eyes on your elbow crease. You wanna reach your arm and your leg up. Keep them long without rowing them back like this. You're just gonna keep your eyes on the elbow crease as you slowly roll and flop to your back, just like that. Now, a lot of times people will press firmly with the opposing side. You don't want that. You want to make sure that your arm and your leg are just coming along for the ride whenever they feel like it, right? Also, the other thing, you want to make sure that your elbow and your knee are moving together as a unit, like this, right there. And you can bend it up a little bit more to reduce the lever of the top arm and make it even easier. Just like that. If you're really lazy, you can put your hand on your head. Right there. And that's how it's done. Give it a shot.